Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given 5 numbers, 700, 1200, 1600, 2000, and x. And we're asked, if the mean of the 5 numbers above is 1600, what is the value of x? So how do we calculate the mean? The mean is going to be the total sum of all the numbers divided by the number of numbers. And there's 5 numbers here, so it's going to be the total sum divided by 5. So if 1600 is equal to, and then the sum of all the numbers is 700 plus 1200 plus 1600 plus 2000 plus x over 5, we have an equation and we can now solve for x. So the first thing we can do is we can multiply both sides by 5. 5 times 1600 is 8,000, and then on this side, these 5's cancel, so we just have the numerator. So 8,000 is equal to 700 plus 1200 plus 1600 plus 2000 is 5,500 plus x. We subtract 5,500 from both sides. These cancel, and we get x is equal to 8,000 minus 5,500, which is 2,500. So this problem asks us what is the value of x. 2,500 is our final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.